So Cohen, he invented the plasmid. He was working on the plasmid and he is from a Stanford University. Boyer, he was working on restriction endonuclease and he is from a California University. Both met in the conference in 1973 and their work is published in New York Times in 1974. Now, Boswell, he's a entrepreneur. He's actually a venture capitalist and he involved in this case, or he was interested to create a organization or a startup from this by using this patent or that invention. Now, Niels Reimers, he is a technology officer of a Stanford University. Now, here what exactly happened is Niels Reimers, he come to know about this invention and then he has to contact Cohen, then Boyer, and then the three funding resources, that is National Institute of Health, American Cancer Society and National Science Foundation. So he has taken that efforts, he contacted all of them and then he was also having a time restriction of 1 year because according to rule, whenever the publication is occurred in and your invention goes into the public domain, after that within 1 year you should file a patent. So Reimers smartly contacted everybody and he had completed the all procedures. Patent drafting also was, he has completed that procedure also, and on November 4th, 1974, the patent was filed.